cool. Hey.
I'm gonna vom.
Yeah, they're off. They're off. Whoa, look at the lightning. Class.
So we're going through a lightning storm.
Yeah. Canny.
Ding it?
Yeah,
Ding it?
just there.
We've got a tailwind here. We're gonna absolutely fly off, just crash onto the land.
Whoa, look at the
Run.
sea. Whoa.
You hanging on. Make sure you do.
I am. Over there. Yeah.
Dear me. Where's it?
Straight ahead.
It sort of blows you in different. I'm gonna drop the sail. A bit better.
That's a bit better, yeah.
Where's it?
Straight ahead there.
Is that our base?
That's where the base is, yeah, so the workbench will be close by. Like the workbench is just slightly to your left. That's where I built it. You see slightly to the left? In between those two rocks. So probably just put the boat back there. Or just on the shore. Yeah, just near the shore, whatever. Do you put the anchor down or does
I'm going to just drive it on. I'll drive it on.
That's it.
Is there a button for weigh the anchor?
Probably just stay there. Hopefully. Right, so this base is here, so you can just stay here if you want. Actually, the tin I'll have to leave here anyway. Put some fuel in there.
That was fun.
What?
That was
That was a good laugh.
Well, on the basis I've got a trial tomorrow at 9:30 in the morning. I best get off.
Aye.